Hi folks, my name is Allie DeAndrea. Welcome back to another episode of Source to Smoke. Tonight we are grilling up these delicious hot Italian venison calzones. These turned out absolutely amazing, so let's jump right in. To get started, we are going to mix up our hot venison Italian sausage. Sausage needs to be a little fatty, and as we know, venison is super lean. So we're adding in some ground pork to help add some of that juicy fattiness that we so desperately need with our venison. So in a bowl, I'm mixing together equal parts ground pork and ground venison. Using a mortar and pestle, I'm grinding up some fennel seeds. I'm also adding some basil, parsley, oregano, salt, black pepper, and some heat with red pepper flakes. This is where the hot part of the hot Italian sausage comes into play. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's really good. Once I have all of my seasonings mixed together, I'll add that to the meat mixture along with some white wine. I like to wear gloves and get in there and mix everything together really, really well. Like I'm going to be mixing this meat together for a few minutes until it starts to form a paste-like substance. I've got a pan on the stovetop. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil and cook a very small piece of our hot Italian sausage. Give it a try and then adjust the seasonings if needed. Oh yeah. You know, it's got good flavor. I think it could use a little more salt. I'm getting the fennel, I'm getting the heat. A little more salt though. Now let's head outside and fire up the grill. Today I'm cooking on the Oklahoma Joe's Tahoma 900. This is an auto feeding charcoal grill. All you have to do is add your charcoal to the hopper, light up a couple fire starters, and the grill does the rest. Okay. We're in business. The grill is preheating right now. You want to keep the lid open until you start to see a lot of smoke. Then you can close it down and allow it to heat up the rest of the way. Now that fan's kicking on and our air conditioning. It is like probably 93 outside right now. It is hot. The grill, just by sitting in the sun, was already at 105 degrees. If you guys know Jonathan, who is also an ambassador for Oklahoma Joe's, he lives in Arizona. He knows what it's like to be grilling in the heat. While the grill is preheating, we are going to put together our calzones. I'll start by shredding up some mozzarella cheese. Time to roll out the dough. I'm going to split this in half in order to make 2 calzones. Press out the dough to form a circle shape as if you are going to make pizza, and then add your filling to 1/2 of that round, leaving about an inch border to fold that calzone on top of itself and pinch it shut. I'm drizzling a little bit of olive oil on top and rubbing that in so that it's evenly coating the whole calzone, and then sprinkling it with a little bit of Maldon salt. It's a flaky salt that is a beautiful finishing salt for basically any dish. Grill's at 350. I've got both the calzones. We're gonna put them on. They're gonna cook for about 30 to 40 minutes until the meat is cooked all the way through. It's golden brown on the outside and the cheese is ooey gooey and melty. It's been like 10 or 15 minutes. I came out here to check. This calzone was on the right side, and you can see how there's a little bit of golden brown that's already forming on the bottom. So I switched them because this right side is definitely the hotter side of the grill. All right, I want to put a little more olive oil on this. Brush that in. Push that back. Let's just see if this guy's given us any color yet. Ooh, you know, I think he's ready to flip too. This guy's a little bulkier. He might take a little bit longer, but let's give him a flip too. Awesome. And back on the grill. Now we're ready to close her down. Woo! Let's take a peek. They're smelling, woo-hoo-hoo, smelling good. Cheese is starting to bubble out. I think we're definitely done here on the left. I'm gonna take a peek at the bottom of that one. So let's pull this guy off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're done over here? Woohoo! Ho ho ho, hungry girl. I've let them cool for 15 or 20 minutes. They were piping hot off the grill, which is wonderful. They have some beautiful color, some beautiful grill marks. Even while using the parchment paper, you will still get the grill marks. And it's time to cut into these bad boys. So I'm gonna start with this big one. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, here we go. We've got a nice piece of venison sausage right there. Lots of cheese, the basil, the marinara sauce, everything all together. Cheers. Oh my God, it's so good. Instantly so good. I'm getting all of the flavors from all of the seasonings that we added. This is another one of those dishes. If someone has never tried venison before, this is a wonderful way to dip their toe into it. So good. So that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. For more episodes of Source to Smoke, you can head on over to Oklahoma Joe's YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.